Hello, my name is Josh LeBlanc, and today I am touring with you, and you're touring with me, apartment 720. Let's take a look at Elliott Bay. This is a beautiful view of Elliott Bay, and now if you go a little closer, it's Alki Beach right there. Isn't that beautiful? It's just such a beautiful view. Look at those clouds. I love it. I love it. It's the small things in life that makes you just fall in love with life. Okay, I'm gonna back up. I'm gonna turn the light back on one, and I'm gonna back up so you can see this window. Now, of course, the window does come with a shade here, and I'm gonna pull it back up, and I'm gonna open this large window to show you that you can get a lot of fresh air. Now, there is a safety lock here that you remove temporarily. It's already off because I wanna show you how this apartment looks whenever you open up the window completely, and getting a lot of that fresh air outside into your apartment and into your lungs. Whew. Taking a deep breath, breathing that in, that is beautiful. Now I'll shut this window once again, and I'll show you this here. Now, every apartment does come with an AC port for those hot summer days, and you've got your portable AC, you need to plug in there. There you go, there is the AC port there. Now, this apartment is an open one bedroom, as you can see. This would be the living room area. Now, it doesn't have to necessarily be the living room area. You can make it anything you want it to be. And it also comes with a ceiling fan. There are the controls right there for that. And you can dim the light, brighten the light, speed up the fan, slow down the fan. And here's your thermostat here. That's for your heat, space heater that's in the apartment. And here is the modem for Audion. That is our local internet company that we use for this apartment. How it works is utilities, which includes electric, water, trash, sewer, and the internet is a flat fee of $175. Now, this apartment right now currently is on the market for $1,850, and we've just started the tour, so I've got to take you to some more to see more about this apartment. Now, we're coming over here to the kitchen area. As you can see, you have your deep sink along with ample cabinet space, and you've got your range hood, cooktop, also your microwave here, and your refrigerator. Now, let's back it up a bit. Come back here. Let's take a look at the bathroom here. Now, the bathroom, you've got your vanity, you got your mirror there, and you have your stand-up shower. You do have ample space in this bathroom, so you've got a chance to move around a bit. And you've got a lot of space here to work with. Okay, now we're going to take a look at what would be the bedroom area. So what would be the bedroom area? It comes with a nice light here, and I'm going to give you a panoramic view. Let's see, coming from side to side of the bedroom. So this would be your private bedroom. You can put some shelving there in the corner. You can be really, really creative with this space. You can put your bed here, or put your bed here, and you have that space there. Maybe a small lamp there, maybe a lamp here. This is a pretty unique space. I love it. Very modernized, very cozy, because we are cozy uptown, right? A very cozy, play on words there. Now, this closet space, you'll be able to store your items here, your shoes, your clothes. So you've got quite a bit of space to work with. And not to mention, you're in one of the best neighborhoods in Seattle. This is Queen Anne. Lots of places to explore, tons of places to discover. And as I always say, if you love it, lease it. If you like it, apply now. Because this apartment is right now on the market at $1,850. I'm not sure how long it will be on the market. The pricing has been reduced for this apartment, but it is available right now, so feel free to reach out to me. I'm available. Call me now.